2, 3, go. This thing will be damaged. I'm winning. Hello guys. I hope you all are doing great. Should I vlog? Should I not vlog? I don't know. But like, it's raining heavily. We decided to come for a walk.
How guys?
Yeah.
Run.
Chota bro is wet. I am half wet. And Sartak is wet too.
I'm fully wet.
Yeah. And like, we are going to run. Make a race. Tick tick. Okay. There they are.
I guess so. But this is the... After that car passes, go! What the fuck? I can't zoom because I have umbrella in my hand. Okay. And we have a clear winner!
I won. What?
Aye! Look what happened! Pick this up, man. Better luck next time, Rijul. You won our hearts.
I won Mongol. I didn't know we have to come back. तो बारिश हो रही है लेकिन हम गीला नहीं है. नो, हम गीला है. ये गीला नहीं है.
Chhatri power 24 hours. Assam hai hulla hulli.
This person is Mongol. Video. Here we come back to Shoolini, my success. Night bus, 7 p.m. bus called library bus. About to meet some people that I like to annoy, so be ready to annoy them with me or to witness me annoying them. There they are. No, this is ambulance, but there they are.
Give me umbrella, give me umbrella.
Why do you guys ignore me? Huh?
Why?
You are not ignoring me. You see, thanks to me, you have a lot of memories.
Yeah. Which type of umbrella?
आज तो फिर नो आज तो बारिश हो रही है लेकिन मैं गीला नहीं हूँ. नो, मैं गीला नहीं हूँ. ठीक है, बाय बाय. I love that. Thanks, Jude. Just for continuing my Chota vlog, we've done the race. We went to around Teka. We came back. But before that, I want to show you little things that happened before we decided to go, like run and do whatsoever outside. So watch. Yay! Right, see that side. आज तो पी रखी है. आज तो पी रखी है.
आज तो पी रखी है.
Ole!
Wait.
Ole, ole.
Ole, ole, ole.
Hey guys, we are
Hello.
stuck in the rain.
Yeah, she is stuck. I can go to hostel.
He's so bad. I hate you.
Oh my goodness.
We'll make a nice video and then share it with you.
Yeah. Fuck. What the heck? Hey, wait, what rain is this? Same, but different.